Hello from Guam, guys. What's up, man? My name is Mark. We're here in Dededo. I figured I'd show you this. This is a cool thing that happened over the pandemic. That something productive came out of it, or something cool came out of it. This is actually Tuesday night food trucks. All these food trucks get together here at the Dededo's Farmers Co-op, just sell their foods, their things that they have. There's no merchandise here, but there's more like food trucks. If you want, you grab the bite to eat. I'm gonna give you a go around of this place, and let's go check it out. So yeah, pretty much these are the same food trucks that you see all around Guam. It's cool. They have their own community. They do their own thing here at the Tuesday night co-op, Farmers Co-op. It's a food truck night. They all get together, sell some great food. Let me try to show you. This one's called the Dirty Kitchen. They do like stir-fry noodles. They even have sisig and more. This one's tacos, MFT tacos. They have some really good tacos there too. This one's new, the Road Trip Arby's. I tried their shawarma there recently at the what do you call this? The block party in Aganya. And then over here, for my Filipinos, my kababayans, we got Streetery. This one has squid balls, dynamite lumpia. It has pretty much like Filipino street foods. They even have like fish ball, squid ball, siomai. So if you're ever missing home, that's probably the truck for you, street food truck for you. This one's really popular, you can see it. You got Chris Barbecue, the line's pretty long. I'll show you that later, I might get that, that's why. You got corn over here. They got all types of corns and potatoes and burgers. They even have like pulled pork. Yeah. Water overloaded corn on the cob. Kind of look like a Mexican dish. And then you know what we have over here is, I'm not sure, shakes. They have shakes over here. Shakes. Oh. I don't know what this food truck's name is called, but they have some good looking fries. And like snacks and more seafood stuff, desserts, fried Oreos, can't go wrong with that. Of course you got the shakes, the smoothies, and yeah, look at that. Just tons of like good fries, takoyaki fries, fried Oreo, and more. Alright. I hope you guys enjoy this virtual tour of this place. I'll show you what I get. I usually get like just rice and meat, but I'll show you what I get in a bit. Let's go check it out more. This one's cool. This is Mrs. Will Pie. They got like all these cool dishes. They're like custard pancakes, but you could also have like cool stuff inside, like Oreo. You even have tuna in here, kimchi, chicken curry, corn cheese. This place is really yum. I like that place. Right near it, we got Padayon food truck. Let's see what their menu's about. Got lechon kawale. Look at that. You even have like barbecue sticks, pancit, Filipino food, beef mami. They have some set meals here, like they have like beef pares. They even have Filipino tumbong soup with rice. That's cool. Shrimp or chicken, barbecue sticks, and more. And then we got the famous Tikiki donuts. If you're ever on Guam, you gotta try this place out, man. It's really good. They have like the vintage donut making things. It's kind of like Buenos Dengalus, like a Chamorro donut, but you know, regular sized mini donuts. Check it out. You got sugar, you got powder, all this good stuff. Glaze and the nutty pack. Very simple, but I can tell you, man, this place sells out a lot. I love the Kiki Donuts. We'll head down to the next food truck. We got Hooker's Fusion. It's Japanese and forgot what else. Local cuisine. That looks good. They even have gyudon over there. And then this one's new. This one, Aurora del Salvador. This one's cool. They used to have like a little like a pickup thing on the side of the road, but it's like real Spanish food, I think. Tamales, you got burritos, you got quesadillas, you got birria quesadillas. Good stuff for this one here. We'll check that out in a bit. They used to have more, but you know, over the pandemic, I think this is where it was actually getting popular. The line looks crazy long for, of course, Manang picas. They also do like biro tacos and like the biro soup. I forgot what's the tapio biro soup. It's like one of their specials there. And then over here we got the Maine lobster. It's pretty bad. Whoa, that looks good. You got lobster rolls, shrimp rolls. God damn, look at this. And more. This is their prices. Pretty simple. 17, 12, 24, and 6. For the classic or the boss. You got lobster and shrimp rolls on that one over there. Besides the one I showed you, Manang Pica. Let me go show you that. There's a lot of things you can do here. You can chill here with friends. Great stuff. Next food truck I want to show you here is called Tan? Not sure. Hello, half a day. They have some cool waffles, dessert, mango tea. Look at that. Yeah, they got like drinks, desserts, waffles, and more. Daddy's Goods. And then we got one of the heavy hitters that I always see at Chamorro Village, as well as the flea market. We got the A&L food truck. They have shish kebabs, fiesta plates, and more. Let's go try to show you how that looks.
We got cool homies over here cooking some barbecue sticks, looking cool, looking good. Tons of barbecue sticks. Looks yummy. This one is, I think, Loida's, but they're like doing a collab or something with the A&L. They got really cool looking choices here. Good fiesta plates, as you call it.
All right, next food truck over here is called McClit's. McClit's chicken and more. I'll show you how their menu looks. They look like another Filipino one. You got pork bowl, you got rice bowl, grilled pork, lechon kawale, buttermilk fried chicken. That sounds good. You also got grilled pork, honey grilled chicken. Not bad. Chicken and more. Now that looks pretty good. You got mix and match. You can do that too. You can even mix, match, 2 choice, 3 choice, and more. You even have side orders. Not bad. McClit's. And then of course we got this famous juice truck. I don't know the name of this one, but I do know that they're very popular with their soup bowl. They have this like soup bowl and goto bulalo. They sell out pretty fast. Unfortunately, they sold out too for us. And then of course I showed you this crisp barbecue, but the line is crazy long. I might get this. Let me just show you how their menu looks in a bit. It's pretty much like shish kebab nights here at this place. Look at that, man. Smoky barbecue going off over there. Also, there is also this little thing. It's called Josie's Bok Choy. They're open too. They even have a bake sale, harvest bowl and bake sale going on. But yeah. All right. So if you're visiting Guam, if you're from Korea, annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. If you're from Japan, yokoso. And if you're from China, ni hao ma. And if you're from Philippines, mabuhay. Kamusta kayo. Again, this place is cool. If you're visiting Guam, come check this out. It's a Thursday night market here in the Dededo flea market, farmers co-op. I'll probably put a link of, or I'll probably put something right over here of how to get here. Maybe like a map, I'm not sure, or in the descriptions, put the Google pin. But yeah, you guys should come here. It's every Tuesday. Just remember, every Tuesday. Every Tuesday night. I think it starts 4 o'clock and it's up till 9 or 8 p.m. Or pretty much until they sell out. Oh yeah, I'll show you the food that I'm gonna get. All right, so we decided to go here. It's called Loida's. This combo number 2 looks really good. Jin's gonna order. Oh, they also have like melon. So all my Filipino kababayans there, they have a melon, mango, buko pandan. I'm not sure if they have sagol, gulaman, but yeah. Jin's gonna get one here. It's called Loida's. Order a number 2, which is this. Yeah. Look at these boys grilling. Good stuff. So you saw Jin get that food truck over there. She's getting rice and shish kebabs. I love that stuff. But again, like I said, this Aurora del Sabor is brand new, and I want to give it a try. They have some cool like Spanish dishes and tacos and burritos and all that stuff, and I want to try it out. You know, like it looks good. Let's go check out their menu. I'll show you what I get in a bit. So again, they have horchata, jamaica, birria taco, birria quesadilla, beef burritos, beef and birria bowl. Looks really good. They got this tamales, not bad. This looks really good, just tamale plain. Wow. Let's give this one a try. I think I'm gonna get this. Hey, so I just got the Aurora del Sabor. It says Cocina Mexicana. I guess it's Mexican dishes. I got tamales. I've never tried tamales. I probably did, but this is like real authentic Mexican tamales. It was like $5. I asked them to get spicy because I do love spicy. And I also got the birria bowl. I'm not sure what that is, but I've been hearing all about this birria craze. They're like birria tacos. So I got it. My total was 18 bucks. Not bad. Jen's food is almost ready. I'm waiting for this. We're gonna get that and eat it with Jen, and I'll show you how it tastes. Do a little mukbang for you, and I'll probably call the video. All right, so we got the A&L. I think they're like combined with Loidas, but I want to show you their food, their dish. Of course, we got the spicy vinegar, and we got like a Mang Tomas sauce, and this is their plate. Ooh, look at that beauty. So Jen got the combo number 2, right? And it's she also, the lady was nice enough to replace the chicken kelaguen, and she gave us pancit. And you got lechon kawale, you got a pork barbecue stick, you got pancit, and you got the famous Guam red rice, which is kind of orange. Yeah. We also got this shawarma right here. It's from the Arby's food truck. I'll show you that. I think I showed you that over there. I got it last time at the block party if you didn't see it. But yeah, this is the shawarma. They even had lumpia hiding. Wow, they even had a lumpia. This is also the shawarma that I was talking about. I love it. Good stuff. I gotta go pick up my food over there. I'll show you how everything looks in a bit.
Like a Filipino style, deep in the vinegar. It's good, it's fresh.
Oh, nice.
You want to try?
Let me try. Right. It is fresh. Very crunchy. It's hot. It goes really well with that vinegar. I want to drink that vinegar. Again, when you do come here, bring your appetite. A tip for you is try to get like small things at different food trucks so you could try it. But of course, you could always come back the next week and try all the other food trucks, or you could come back or go to the next meetup of their thing for the food trucks and then try out their food. Come here with your appetite. I'm gonna go get my food. I'll show you how it looks in a bit. Look at that meat. All right, Jen got the lechon kawale.
I'm dipping the mangkuma.
It's like a gravy, Filipino gravy. That fat and that skin.
Oh my god.
It's really good.
So good.
All right, let's give it a try. Try this lechon kawale. Wow. Again, this is a good choice. This food truck, their food is really like warm and hot and fresh. I got some rice. All right, so last time I got this at the block party. You saw me try it. Now you're gonna see Jen try it. This is Arby's strip shawarma. How's the hot sauce?
It's alright.
Oh, okay.
Not alright.
It's not that hot, it's just a little
Yeah.
mild. That's cool.
Because my son is
Look at all of this. Just wait till I get mild. There's more people coming now. So again, starts at 4. Come early. But sometimes the lines go freaking long for the food trucks, especially like Manang Picas and Chris Barbecue. Look at that bad boy. We got the Aurora del Sabor. All right, so we got the Aurora del Sabor. We got the tamales. It's really hot, but I got the really spicy. It's called green, chicken green. This is it, how it looks. I don't even know how to eat this. Are you supposed to just eat it with the husk? And we got this one right here. The Bira bowl. Look at that. Good stuff.
There you go, and this one.
Alright, so like I said, you're supposed to unwrap it from this husk. It's really hot. I'm not sure how you unwrap it, but I think that's really spicy. Ooh. Let's give this bad boy a try. Husk. See, really hot. Oh yeah. This chicken is like really shredded, pretty good. Good kit. Not sure what it's made of. I'll look it up. But I like this. Kind of like a Mexican lumpia, or what do you call it, chimichanga. Now I'm gonna take a bite of this. I think I'm supposed to mix it up. This Bira bowl. Try to get a bite of it. Has beans, like some shredded chicken, salsa. Ooh, look like peppers and rice. Ooh, got a big bite right here. Oh wow, this is good. I love it. I wish I had like lime. It's good. And I like it with more sauce. This would be crazy. I gotta mix this bad boy up. I might mix everything together. But this is Bira bowl. The beans in this make it really good. Alright, like I said, this is like corn husk, shredded chicken. I'm not sure what it is. I'll look it up later, tell you what that is. Jen's gonna give it a try.
Oh wow.
Yeah, try this. You gotta mix it up, dude. Get some rice of that.
Spicy.
Yeah, it is spicy, huh? Yeah, I can eat that. That's like a burrito. I want to kind of mix everything and just eat it. But yeah, this is our food, guys. Pretty big spread. Again, like I said, if you're gonna come here for this food truck, you really gotta have your appetite. There's so much dishes you could get. A lot of different types of barbecue and more here on the island of Guam. All right, I don't know what you got, but to top off all the food that we just ate, this is our dessert. What is it?
It's a cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream shake. Is that boba?
Yes.
They even have boba. Look at that, guys.
I got the get number already, so next time we're gonna try the soap food.
Ah. The boba balls, they're fresh. They're like hot, but when you mix it up, you know, of course the drink is cold. It just has this really good taste. Hey, look at Mikhail go crazy. Look at those. Those are really good, the bowls. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this virtual tour of Tuesday night markets here at Dededo. I enjoy showing you these virtual postcards. I use it as a remembrance or like a time capsule for myself. So I do enjoy making this. If you guys liked the video, please like the video. Subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment down below what you think. Yeah, check it out every Tuesdays. My name is Mark. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. I'm out.